Make a great choice today with the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.